Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. So this is the design in this week's video. As with the previous videos that I've done just recently, I go through each individual nail one by one and I just show you how I create the nails. I have already done an infill on my nails here using the Miss You Beauty's Brush Up Builder Gel, which is now my ultimate favourite way of creating my nails. I've gone off acrylics for a brief period of time, so I really do love this Brush Up Builder Gel. So the colour that I'm using here is a beautiful colour from the Miss Kaycie range from Miss You Beauty. It's Miss Kaycie 02 and I do 2 coats of this and I cure each coat for 30 seconds in my LED lamp. And then with Miss Kaycie 05 and my Blue Sky in the Pro Gel collection, I just go in and I haven't actually cured the second coat of the pink yet, so I'm going in with some other gels and I'm just going in on it like wet on wet basically, so it's uncured gel and I'm just creating a sort of, I don't know what you call it, an unofficial marble design, which I quite liked it. It was a bit random but I quite like the look of it. And yeah, so then I go in with some dots with my dotting tool just around the cuticle area and then I cure that in my LED lamp for 30 seconds. And then I go in with top coat and then I cure that for 60 seconds. So on my forefinger I used Miss Kaycie 01 and it's like a beautiful lilac-y colour, it's really pretty. So I apply 2 coats of that to my nail and I cure each coat in my LED lamp for 30 seconds. And then with Miss Kaycie 04 and Miss Kaycie 05 and a very fine detail brush, I go in around the cuticle area of my forefinger and I just fade that down the nail. But what I do is I do it so that the 2 colours, the 2 glittery colours, are in an ombre effect as well, so it's just so that they're half and half faded down and I just really liked it. I do apologise for the light in here. Yeah, it was a bit dull that day, so the lighting is pretty shocking, so I really do apologise for this, guys, by the way. So yeah, and then I cured that in my LED lamp for 30 seconds and then I went in and applied my top coat, cured that and applied cuticle oil. So on my middle finger I went in with Miss Kaycie 03, it's really cute baby pink, it's absolutely gorgeous. So I applied 2 coats of this and cured each coat in my LED lamp for 30 seconds. Then I went in with a matte top coat and applied that to that nail, cured that in my LED lamp for 60 seconds, and then I went in with the shiny no wipe top coat here and I just drew a little heart with my very fine detail brush, filled it in with the top coat, cured it in my LED lamp for 40 seconds, and then I went over this with my chrome powder, my mirror chrome powder and an applicator, and as you can see the final result was a little heart, and then I went around the outline with my Pro Gel in Wedding Dress, and then I cured that in my LED lamp for 30 seconds, and then I went over the top of that, excuse my thumb in the way there, I went over the top of that with top coat and cured that for 60 seconds, and then I applied some cuticle oil. So then on my ring finger I did a little bit of 3D work. So with Miss Kaycie 05, this gorgeous glittery pink, it's absolutely amazing. I just applied that to my nail and I applied two coats, and then I cured them for 30 seconds in my LED lamp. So then with my 4D gel in the shade Snow Queen and a 3D gel brush, I applied a little tiny heart to the nail. So I used the gel residue remover in order to mould this heart into the shape that I wanted. And then I cured it in my LED lamp for 30 seconds. And then I went in and did another heart in the same shade, Snow Queen. And then I went in with another 4D gel, which is called Barbie Heart. So then I cured that in my LED lamp for 30 seconds. And then I applied top coat and cured that for 60 seconds. So then on my little finger I went in with Miss Kaycie 04 and I applied 2 coats to that nail, and I cured those coats for 30 seconds in my LED lamp. As you can see, this is a gorgeous purple sparkly one. And then with Mermaid Tail 04, which is a beautiful pink sparkly gel polish, and my very fine detail brush, I went in at the tip of the nail and I just sort of faded it up the nail so it looked like an ombre effect. As you all might know, I am a big fan of the ombre nail. And so then I cured that in my LED lamp for 30 seconds. And then around the cuticle area I went in with my dotting tool and just applied my Pro Gel in the shade Wedding Dress. Cured that for 30 seconds and then I applied my top coat and cured it for 60 seconds. So thank you so much for watching my video this week, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. I will leave links to everything I used in the description box below, along with any discount codes. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye!